Hi guys, today I'm working on Ford Fusion 2013 and I will show you how to replace the oxygen sensor bank 1. First of all, we'll just pull this cover out. Just simple pull up, remove this cover, and first of all I will remove this hose. Okay, I just removed the hose, so the sensor is right here. This is the sensor. So first of all, I'll disconnect the wire, just trace the wire. This is a connector. Disconnect the wire first. So this wire is disconnected. This is the wire. And this is the sensor right here. Okay, to remove the sensor, I will use this socket. This is a special socket for to remove the sensors. This is 7, 8 or 22 mm. Okay guys, the best way I found to reach there, I just removed the battery and the sensor is right there. Okay guys, it's loose now. Okay, there you go. The sensor is out. As you can see, it's really dirty. I'll replace it with a new one. Thanks for watching.